Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So let us break down the concept of rectilinear motion. So rectilinear motion is a straight line motion and one question will be definitely asked on the variable acceleration. So first we'll see the question. The question is the velocity of a particle traveling in a straight line is given by v is equal to 60 minus 3t square meter per second where t is in second. If s is equal to 0 when t is equal to 0, determine the acceleration and position when t is equal to 3 seconds. The second one is distance traveled during the 3 seconds. And last one is the average speed. So first note that velocity is given. So we'll start with the given data. First, the velocity equation is given v of t. So it is in terms of times. That's why v of t is given. It is equal to 60 minus 3t square and the unit is meter per second. Then the initial condition is given. Displacement is 0 when it is at 0 second. So time travel during 0 to 3 seconds you have to find various factors. So key relations we should know displacement and velocity. Acceleration is equal to dv by dt. It is the rate of change of velocity per unit time and the distance is the integration of velocity. So as we have discussed in the last video, so from acceleration if you want the velocity and from velocity you require displacement, then do the integration. And from displacement, if we require velocity, and from velocity, acceleration will do the differentiation. So this should be your way to approach. Okay. So we'll start with the finding the acceleration because the velocity equation is given and acceleration is equal to differentiation of velocity. So we'll differentiate this equation. So differentiation of 60 will be only 6. Differentiation of 3t square will be 3 into 2t. So that is nothing but 3 into 2 will be 6. So minus 6t. So this will be the value. So at t is equal to 0, we get acceleration is equal to, because this 6 into 0, so this becomes 0. So at will be 6 meter per second square acceleration. So at t is equal to 1 seconds. So it will be 6 minus 6 into 1. So again 6 minus 6, 0. So after 1 second it becomes 0 meter per second square. Then t is equal to 3 seconds. So we'll put it here 6 minus 6 into 3. So 6 into 3 are 18. 6 minus 18. So it becomes minus 12 meter per second square. So this way after every time shift we get the values of acceleration. Then we'll find out the position. So to get the value of position, we have given the value of Vt equation. So as we have discussed, from displacement to velocity to acceleration. So this is the forward part, we will do the differentiation. From velocity, if you require displacement, integration is the only solution. So we'll integrate this equation because V is equal to dx by dt. So this equation becomes integration of 60 minus 3t square. So integration of 60 will be 6 into t square divided by 2. So it becomes 3t square and minus 3 integration of t will be t cube divided by 3. So it becomes t cube and the constant of integration. Now I'll put the boundary conditions here. So by applying boundary condition, we have this boundary condition. Displacement is 0 at t is equal to 0 seconds. So put it here. T is equal to 0. This t is also 0 and displacement is also 0. So we get c is equal to 0. So we'll update this equation. So here s of t is equal to 3t square minus t cube and this value is 0. So we'll put it that way. Now we'll find out the displacement after the 3 seconds. So here put t is equal to 3 and here t is equal to 3. So this will be 3 into 3 square minus 3 cube. Find the answer and tell me the answer will be 0 because 3 cube minus 3 cube we get 0. So we'll find out the distance traveled. So we have the equation s of t is equal to 3t square minus t cube. So here we'll find out what is the distance traveled during t is equal to 0, t is equal to 1, t is equal to 2, and t is equal to 3. So at t is equal to 0, this becomes 0 as it is given. At t is equal to 1, it should be 3 into 1 minus 1 cube. So it should be 2 meter. At t is equal to 2, this becomes 3 into 2 square minus 2 cube. So 3 into 4, 12 minus 8. So it should be 4 meter. And t is equal to 3, it should be 0. Okay. So again, it come back to the mean position. So the distance traveled will be 0 to 2, 2 to 4, and then back to 0. Plus 4, it will be 8 meter. Distance will be traveled during the travel of the object. So see, 8 meter will be distance. Okay. So 4 meter in the forward direction and 4 meter in the reverse direction. Okay. Neglect this calculation. Just follow this calculation as I have told you. So it is total distance divided by total time. So total distance will be 8 meter and total time is 3 seconds. So average speed will be 8 by 3. It is equal to 2.67 meter per second. So this way we can find out the average speed after t is equal to 3 seconds. Okay, so this is the summary sheet to find out what are the values required for this calculation. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any doubt, you can comment it in the comment box. Thank you very much.